Look at this set, 16 members in a family. Sachin is Disha's son. Sachin has only 2 brothers and a sister and all married. Ava is only sister of Punkit, Sachin and Vinit. So there is a person like Disha married to somebody. They have 4 children. Who are Sachin, Punkit, Vinit, Abha. Vinit, Abha. Out of which Ava married to Ajit. Few genders we have obtained: male, 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 female. Tara is Tanvi's daughter-in-law. Sachin has only 2 brothers utilized. Sachin is Disha's son. Sudha is Sachin's daughter and Seema is Vijay's cousin. Sudha is Sachin's daughter. So Sachin married to somebody. Their children is Sudha, and the first generation has 2 persons, which is this, obviously. Seema and Anita are sisters. Right now I cannot use. Vipin is Abha's nephew, somebody's son, and Vijay is Tisa's grandson. Vijay is also somebody's son. As of now we cannot use. This one right now we cannot use. Tara is Tanvi's daughter-in-law. Tanya is Tanvi's daughter-in-law. So most likely Tanvi is here. But among Tisha and Tara, who is male, who is female, as of now we don't know. Seema is Tanya's daughter and Sandeep is Sita's son. So there, Seema, Sandeep, they are from next generation. Shubha is Sachin's daughter and Seema is Vijay's cousin. Okay. So first of all, next generation, we have 3 children. One is Vijay. Seema. Vipin. How many persons we have placed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there are 3 wives, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So they belong to the next generation. Who are their wives? For Sachin, Punkit and Vinit, their wives can be Tanya, Tara. Achha, Anita is also here. Tanya, Tara, who left? All our brothers and sisters are married. Shudha is Sachin's daughter and Seema is Vijay's cousin. Seema, Vijay, same generation. Vipin is Ava's nephew. Vipin is also same generation. Seema and Anita's sister. They are also same generation. Last generation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%. 2%. 5 and 2. 7. This generation there will be 8 persons. So 2 persons left. Do you have any other name? Like in this generation, we have Tanya, we have Tara, whose wife who we don't know. Utilized. And last generation, there will be another person. Which name left? Sandeep is Sita's son. Okay. Third person here is Sita. Another person here is Sandeep. Now we have this information. Sandeep is Sita's son. So let me correlate them. Seema and Anita are siblings. Correlating them. Nothing else we can correlate. So let us look at the problems now. First question. If Tanya is Punkit's wife and Sandeep is not Vinith's son and Vipin does not have siblings, then who is Vijay's father? Tanya is Punkit's wife. Okay. Sandeep is not Vinith's son and Sandeep is Sita's son. So that means Sita is not married to Vinith. So might be Sita married to Sachin. Might be Sita married to Sachin. And Sandeep is Sachin's son. Sita married to Sachin and Sandeep is Sachin's son. Vipin does not have any sibling. Then who is Vijay's father? Vijay can be son of Punkit. Vijay can be son of Vinith. And Vijay can be son of Sachin also. So cannot be determined. So can't say. What other information we have? Take. Next. If Sandeep is the only brother of Sudha, okay. Sandeep only brother of Sudha, that means Sita is Sachin's wife. Which of the statement is true? Sita is Sachin's wife. Now Vipin is Ava's nephew. So Vijay, he can belong to Punkit. Vijay is Tina's grandson. Vinith Seema is Vijay's cousin. If Sandeep is the only brother of Sudha, Sandeep and Sita and Sachin married. So Tanya, Tara are the wife of Punkit and Vinith. Seema and Anita do not have any other sibling. Seema and Anita can't say. Abha and Ajit have one kid. Not sure. Vijay has a brother. It might happen as Sunita, Seema, Anita belong to Punkit and Vijay is their brother, or maybe Vijay belong to Vinith. Vijay is Vinith's son. First of all, can Vijay is Tisa's grandson? Fine. What other information we have about Vijay? Seema is Vijay's cousin. Seema and Anita must belong to same parent. And since we are using data from the previous question, it says Punkit is Tanya is Punkit's what? Brother, a wife. So that means Tara is Vinit's wife. Tara is Vinit's wife. Seema is Tanya's daughter. So basically, Sandeep is son of Sachin. Seema is Tanya and Punkit's wife. And Vijay is their sibling. That means Vijay is Vinit's son. Vijay is Vinit's son. So D is correct. If Vipin is Tara's son, Vipin, Tara's son, data from the previous question again we can refer. So data from the previous question as we can refer, that means Tanya is Punkit's wife and Tara is Vinit's wife and Tanya is the parent of Seema. Look at this one. Vipin is Tara's son. So what we have, Tanya is married to Punkit and they are parent of Seema Anita. Sachin married to Sita, parent of Sudha Sandeep. That means Vijay and Vipin are becoming sibling because they don't have these four people we discussed. They don't have any other sibling. So Vijay and Vipin are sibling. Vipin is the brother of Vijay. C is correct. Next. Anita is Sudha's sister. Okay, now we need to remove few arrangements. Now it is given Seema Anita is Sudha's sister. So Seema, Sudha, Anita, all here. Vijay and Sandeep are cousin. Sandeep is our cousin. Sita and Punkit. Sita is Punkit's wife. So now Sita is Punkit's wife. So Sandeep is their son. That means Vijay belongs to Vinit. So what about Vipin? Vipin can belong to Vinit? No, Vipin cannot belong to Vinit because Vipin is Abha's nephew. Vipin is Abha's nephew. Who can be Vipin's father? Vipin's father can be Punkit or Vinit. Punkit or Vinit. Option.